This is a 2013 Ford F-150 radio, and there's a matter that I need to rectify today because there's a wrong information going around on websites and on YouTube channel like 5-Star Radio, who saying that the antenna adapter to install an aftermarket radio into your Ford F-150 is the BA821, which is wrong. I got caught by this. This is a BA821 antenna adapter, and it doesn't fit for an aftermarket radio. Actually, I'm not sure why this cable is for, because let me show you. This is the back of the radio, and this is the end of the antenna for the Ford F-150. And as you can see, if I go in the right hole, fit in a hole. So obviously this tip don't fit in an aftermarket radio. And what it is about the BA821 cable is it is the same end. It's connecting into the original factory radio. So there's no way that cable will be okay to install an aftermarket radio. To install an aftermarket radio, you will need the female side of this connector so it can connect to the original antenna, and this end will need to be the male adapter or the male connector that goes into the aftermarket radio. And this cable is called the BA820 and not the BA821. So this information is wrong all over the place. I've only paid $10 plus shipping for this cable, so I don't want to get through the trouble of repacking this thing and trying to have a refund for this. I'd rather just let it go. But it's still $15 with shipping, so it's wasted. So you should not find mistake like that on YouTube channel like 5-Star Radio, since they are a big channel in radio installation, and I must say they're really good at this. So I don't know who is editing their description for videos, but this is the wrong cable for an aftermarket installation in a Ford F-150. So what I did, because I didn't want to order a new cable, the BA820, I decided to improvise a bit, because I don't know if you know that, but the antenna on this truck is just a coaxial cable, like the cable behind your TV. And I happen to have some RG6 connectors. So what I did is simply cut the original cable. I installed RG6 connectors to it. It's about 50 cents. It's very easy to install. You don't need any special tool. It's just basically screw on a cable. So you need a good skinner or a good knife to expose the center wire, and good fingers to screw this connector into the cable, because the screwing parts go between the skin of the cable and the middle section of the same cable. But by doing this, I saved $10, $20. It was not very to save money. I did it because I was tired of waiting. I waited for this cable for a week and a half and it wasn't fitting. So I didn't want to order the new cable or the right cable and wait another week and a half, 2 weeks before finalizing the installation of my head unit. So I decided to cut it, and it worked like a charm. The reception on my aftermarket radio is as good as it was with the original OEM radio. So there's no trouble in doing that. If you do it correctly, you will save the $10 to $12 for the cable, but you will also save the waiting time when this cable is in the shipping. It's one part less that you will need to order, and it's not very a thing about money. It's basically a thing about buying parts you don't really need. And the reason why I install a connector at this end is if I ever want to reinstall the OEM radio in my truck, I can. I just need to unscrew the adapter that is in the truck right now and screw this original end instead, and it will fit into the radio. So as a conclusion, guys, even if you get your information from professional installer YouTube channels, you better to double check before ordering part like that, because you might waste a couple of bucks and wasting time waiting for the parts to be delivered at your door only to see that it doesn't fit. So you better double check and order the right part. Or if you like me, just look at the problem and find a solution with what you have at home. I had those connectors already, so it hasn't cost me nothing to create that connection, and it worked like a charm. So I hope this video will help you in your future installation. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.